तुम्हें पता है इंडिया की एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी है जिसने ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की ओपियम वॉर को फंड किया था एंड विद इन फ्यू इयर्स दे आल्सो एस्टैब्लिश्ड देमसेल्व्स एज एन रियल एस्टेट जायंट इन cities like Shanghai, Canton, or even Hong Kong. The community hails from the Shekhawati region of Rajasthan, today known as the Marwadi. They produce large business houses like Birla, Bajaj, Mittal, but also played a crucial role in world history and particularly in the history of China. They used to work as a middleman between the supply and demand of opium while also made profit. And they used the same profit from the opium war to build long-term sustainable business idea like establishing jute mills, cotton mills all over India. These same Marwadis at one point of time in history not only became one of the most prosperous communities in the world, also helped the Indian freedom struggle by financing nationalist movement like Quit India movement or revolutionary activities around the country. Even after the post-independent India, they also supported then Nehruvian government to establish an Gram Swaraj kind of India where equity must be equally distributed among the people. Over, it's your assumption how you take their contribution while shaping world history and Indian history and Chinese history in particular. Personal level, if you would ask me, I would say if you have an appetite of courage, you can succeed in any field. Otherwise, now you think where is Rajasthan, where is Calcutta, or even where is China. It's all about your mindset that can force you to think unimaginable.